I'ma take you back to the old me. Before I set my soul free, call the id, ego, and me. We'll confront all three. Breeds off the adopted little girl she never wanted. Seems everyone died, left affronted. Growth stunted, fully blunted. Disgusted by corruption and all the world's dysfunction. Then I feel crazy and I don't wanna move. Escaping cause really there's nothing here that could soothe this ache inside my heart. Can't you just make it leave? And then I snap my head up and know that it's all me. My insecurity was eating me until there's nothing left. I strive to be empty so I could restart my breath. My fears had really taken hold. I did not fit inside your mold. I'm crying, won't you like me? And if you don't, it feels like lightning. Possibility was frightening. These thoughts just keep recycling. The world so indicting, not inviting you.